Hey, welcome back. So today is going to be another DIY video for my Magnite. So I've got some products which we'll be using on the car. Okay, so I will show you all how to use that product as well. So yeah, let's get inside and then I will show you what that product is. Look at those beautiful DRLs. I mean the ambient lights. Currently have kept it on purple. So what is the product? The product is AC vent duct cleaner. Wow! And it is a foam based cleaner. Okay, so which we will be spraying in our AC vents, all four in the dashboard and two over here in the rear. And I will show you all how to use this product, how much difference it does and everything. Difference, everything will be with respect to smell. And if I show you the before over here, look at all that dust, okay, inside over here also.
ఎందుకురా నీకు ఏస్ బతుకు ఎందుకురా నువ్వు బతుకుతావు
All the four vents, I will just show how dirty they are. Okay,
Jesus.
the rear one is also similar. So what is this going to do? It will flush out all that dirt from all the ducts, the AC ducts, okay, and make them clean and remove any bacteria or germs or anything like that. Okay, so I'll be doing that first. Okay, I will tell in detail what the steps are. And yeah, mostly you all will be able to see only the visual that how that dirt becomes clean, but the main difference is you'll be able to smell. Okay, and why am I doing it now? First reason, because it is dirty, and second thing, because it was smelly inside. We'll be cleaning the ducts after 4 years. The car is 4 years old, so we'll be cleaning it now. And yeah, so then the smell inside, the fragrance will be good. So let's get started. Okay, for this process we will require only 3 things. Okay, those 3 things are one will be a microfiber towel, two will be a tub like this, and the most important thing is your foam cleaner. Okay, the link to this I will attach it in my description, this video's description. Okay, so let's begin with this, each step by step. The first thing is, take the tub and place it under the car where the AC drains. Okay, it's about there. Now you will ask, why the tub? Because I will show you all, okay, the dirt it will collect once we flush everything out. Okay, so the first step is done. Second step is now with respect to the foam. Okay, shake it a bit, and behind that you will have the directions to use. So as it says, we will turn on the blower and let everything breathe out. So that's when a microfiber towel will come into action. So when we will turn on the blower after the 10 minutes of spraying this foam, all that foam will just come out. So microfiber towel with this will be cleaning the foam which will be coming out. So I will be doing for the front 4 vents and the rear 2 vents. Now if you ask me, I have got 2 because I was getting a good offer, so I got 2, and if a spray remains I will do it for my Sunny and my sister's Alto which is present out there. So let's start with. So just for our safety, what we'll do is we'll roll down the front both windows. Okay, roll down and we'll turn off the car. Now uh, now take your bottle, okay, foam bottle. Over here you can see there's a tab which says take off before use. So this is a safety lock, so even as hard if you press it won't press, okay. So just remove this like this and it's out, okay. Throw it in the box, and now I will show you how the foam comes, okay. Just place it over here and see it comes like this. So now you understood. Same way we're gonna do it for our vents now. Starting with the driver side vent, what we have to do is to just put it inside completely, put this whole tube inside and just drag, just press the nozzle and bring it out like this, okay. So as you can see, slowly get it out, you will see foam coming out from the vents. That's when you will see like this. Now repeat this process for all the vents and then I'll show you. As you can see, I've sprayed in all the front 4 air vents as well as the rear 2 vents as well. Now we have to keep the car like this for 10 to 15 minutes, okay. I'll note the time, okay, it's 2:10 p.m. So at around 2:20, 2:25 or even 2:30 we will wait, we will see, okay, and then we'll come back and do the step 3, okay. So the first one I've done it for the Magnite. Now I will repeat the same process for the Sunny and Alto as well. So same process, what we'll do is we'll put this nozzle in the air vent inside and just push it inside completely, okay, and then just pull it out. See, and I have sprayed in the 4 vents as well as in the front defogger and the rear AC vent too. Now let's wait for 15 minutes. So now it's been around 15 minutes and what we have to do now is just start your car and make sure that the AC is turned off, only the blower is on, okay. So what I'm gonna do is oh my god. So firstly I will just turn off both the side vents, then take your microfiber and just hold it over here so that just like how the foam was just splashed on me, it doesn't splash.
No! God, please, no! No!
Okay, just blow up this full like fan speed को पूरा fast कर देना, okay. Let's see. Now only I can tell you that the smell is really good, really present, okay. Just hold like this till the time it stops and you have to keep the car running for around 10 minutes. And yeah, don't worry that all this foam spreading on your screen or any infotainment or any electronics, it won't harm, don't worry. But you can just hold a wipe whatever falls, okay. Now I will open the side air vents as well and let everything pass. So as you can see over here, everything is coming out. Just wipe it. See over there also, it's coming out. That's how it has to come out. So we will wipe, okay. Wait, and after some time we'll cycle through the front defogger as well. Remember that you don't have to turn on the AC, just the raw fan blower. Okay, now I will cycle through the front defogger. So the procedure on the Magnite has been done and trust me, the smell is gone. The pungent smell is gone. Now it's all very pleasant smell, okay. The fragrance is very good. So now this was it. Okay, I will repeat all this cleaning process on my Sunny and the Alto. Okay, so the process will be same for them as well. So hope you all like this video, hope it was informative, and hope you all could learn something, some DIY stuff. So make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and till then, see you in the next one, and keep doing DIY work. See you in the next one.